A pleasant morning to my dear third standard student. I am your maths teacher Sandhya from Bharati Dasnar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach third standard maths fourth lesson. So what is our fourth lesson name, my dears? Very good. Our fourth lesson name is subtraction. What is our fourth lesson name? Our fourth lesson name is subtraction. What does mean by subtraction? Yes, subtraction means taking away some of the object from the collection and counting the remaining object of the collection is called the subtraction. So, for example, you all know subtraction terms have some names, that is minuend, subtrahend and then difference. The minuend means the greater number, the first number is called the minuend, and subtrahend means the smaller number or second number are called the subtrahend, and final answer is called the difference. So, these and all we saw in last session itself, and then we saw alternative methods. So, 4 methods we saw in last session, that is by breaking one number, by breaking both number, and multiples of 10 and multiples of 100. Today we are going to see subtraction of a 3-digit number with regrouping. So, before going to with regrouping, I am going to tell what is without regrouping. So, what is mean by without regrouping? You all know addition itself what is without regrouping, right? So, when we are doing a sum, okay, when we are doing the subtraction problem or addition problem. So, addition problem means we have a carry values, subtraction problem means borrow values, right? So, in subtraction without regrouping means what na? Listen here, when we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum does not have the borrow, if the sum does not have the borrow is called the subtraction without regrouping. Now the topic is with regrouping. So with regrouping means if the sum as borrow is called the with regrouping. So what is subtraction? 3-digit number with a regrouping if the sum as borrow. Now listen children, what is with regrouping? When we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum as borrow, okay, when we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum as borrow, it is called the subtraction with regrouping. It is called the subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. So, for example, we have the question is 800 minus 436. So, what is the first step? Now, tell me Kiran, what is the first step? Very good. We need to write the place values. What is the first place value? That is ones, and second place value is tens, and third place value is hundreds. Here the first group of the number and the second group of the number. First group of the number we have 800 and second number we have 436. First we are going to arrange this 0, 0 and 8. Next you take 436. The ones place value is 6 and the 10th place value is 3 and 100th place value is 4. Now we are going to subtract this. So while subtracting time, first we should take the ones place value. Here the ones place value is 0 and then 6. So 0 minus 6 means it is not possible. Why? Because 0 is a smaller number, 6 is the greater number. So now we are going to get borrow from 10th place. Here the 10th place values also we have 0 and 3. Slightly we are going to 100th place. Here the 100th place value is 800. In this 8 it will change into 700. In this 0 tens, first it will change into 10 tens. First it will change into 10 tens. Now you listen children, in ones place value we have 0 and 6. So 0 minus 6 is possible? It is not possible. Again you are going to get borrow from the 10th place value. We have the 10th place value is 10 tens. In this 10 tens, it will change into 9 tens. In the 0 ones, it will change into 10 ones. 0 ones, it will change into 10 ones. Now we are going to subtract this. Just show your 10 fingers and fold 6 fingers. Remaining how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Write the answer 4. Next you are going to take a 9 minus 3. Just show your 9 fingers and fold 3 fingers. Remaining how many fingers are there? Very good, yes. The answer is 6. Next you will take a 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 4, the answer is 3. We got the answer 364. So write the answer 364. Next we will see the another example. Listen here. So next question is 307 minus 158. 307 minus 158. So as usual, first we are going to write the place values, right? So what is the first place value? The first place value is ones, tens, hundreds. So write ones, tens and then hundreds. Here the ones place value is 7, 0 and 3. Next you take here the ones place value is 8, 5, then 1. So now we are going to subtract this. So you all know when subtracting time, first we will take the ones place value, then 10th place value, then 100th place value. Now listen Kiran, 7 minus 8 is possible? No, it is not possible. Okay, why? Because 7 is the smaller number and 8 is the greater number. Now we are going to get borrow from the 10th place value. So listen here. Here the 10th place value we have 0. So 0 doesn't have the value. Again you are going to get borrow from the 100th place value. Here the 100th place value is 300 minus 100. So in this 300 it will change into 200. In this 0 tens it will change into 10 tens. Okay. So write here 10 tens. Now it's possible to get borrow, right? So in this 10 tens it will change into 9 tens and then in this 7 ones it will change into 17 ones. So write here 17. Now you put 17 lines and subtract 8 lines. Okay. So put 17 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now we are going to subtract 8 lines. Subtract how many lines? 8 lines. So just strike out 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remaining how many lines are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Write the answer 9. Now tell me Nasreen, what is the answer 9 minus 5? Very good my dear. The answer is 4. So 9 minus 5, the answer is 4. Then we will take 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. So write the answer 149. What is the answer? 149. So next we have another example. Listen here. First as usual we will write the place values, right? So what is the first place value? Ones, tens and then hundreds. Here the ones place value is 3, 10th place value is 0 and 100th place value is 5. Now tell me Deepak, what is the ones place value here? Very good. The answer is 6, then 0, then 2. Now we are going to subtract this. So while subtracting time, we will take the ones place value. Yes, see my dears. So the ones place values we have 3 and 6 is there. So 3 minus 6 is possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because 3 is a smaller number, 6 is the greatest number. We are going to get borrow from the before number. So before also we have 0, it is not possible, and get 100th place value itself. Take in this 500 it will change into 400. In this 0 tens it will change into 10 tens. Now it's possible to give the number, right? So in this 3 ones it will change into 13 ones and 10 tens it will change into 9 tens. Now you subtract 13 minus 6. So put 13 lines and strike out 6 lines, right? So put 13 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and strike out 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you count this. we have the lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, the answer is 7. Write 7 once. Next we have a 9 minus 0, the answer is 9. Next we have 4 minus 2, the answer is 2. The final answer is 297. What is the final answer? 297. So, next we have another topic. Listen here. So, listen children, our next topic is subtract and check the answer. Okay. So, we did subtraction means we can able to check the answer. So, how means first we have totally yet 2 steps. The step 1 is you are going to subtract, normal subtraction, then you will get some answer, right. So, keep the answer and add question itself having smaller number. So, if you are getting again a greater number means question greater number means our subtraction is correct. So, listen here, I will do this. Subtract and check the answer. I told you how many steps? Totally we need to put 2 steps, right. So, step 1 and step 2. Here step 1 is subtraction and step 2 is addition. So, write here step 1. Step 1. So, as usual write the place values ones, tens, hundreds. So, here the ones place value is 7, 0, 5, then 4, 1, 3. Now, we are going to subtract this. So, what is the answer? Now, tell me Nasreen, what is the answer? 7 minus 4. Very good my dear. 7 minus 4, the answer is 3. Now, 0 minus 1 possible means it is not possible. Right. So, you are going to get borrow from the before number. 0 it will change into 10, 5 it will change into 4. Now, what is the answer? 10 minus 1? We have a 9 finger. So, the answer is 9. Next, take 4 minus 3, the answer is 1. Now, listen here, going to do the step 2. Now, step 2. So, write here step 2. So, you all know what we need to do the step 2. Okay. So, step 2, first we will write the step 1 answer. So, what is the step 1 answer? Step 1 answer is 193. So, take and write 193. So, before write the place values 1 tens 100, 193. And listen children, take the question, compare this 2 number, which one is the smaller number? We always know that the second number is the smallest number. So, take and write this number 314 here. Write 4, 1 and then 3. Now, we are going to add this. So, while adding time, in answer you get the question greater number means, so our subtraction is correct. Now, listen here, take the ones place value, the ones place values are 3 and 4. Now, tell me Anjali, what is the answer 3 and 4? Very good, the answer is 7. So, 9 plus 1, the answer is 10. So, write 0, carry 1. Now, we are going to add these 3 numbers, 1 plus 1, 2 and keep 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So, 2 after 3, 4, 5. The answer is 507. So, listen my children, we have a question greater number. The question greater number is 507. So, here too we got 507. So, our subtraction is correct. Next, we will see the another example. Listen here. Our next question is 732 minus 456. So, as usual we need to do the 2 steps. Step 1 and step 2. So, what is step 1? That is subtraction. Step 2 is addition. So, listen here. So, step 1, right? Write the first place value. So, as usual ones, tens, 100, right? Ones, tens, hundreds. So, here the ones place value is 2, tens place value is 3 and 100th place value is 7. Next, we are going to take a 6, 5, 4. Now, you subtract this. While subtracting time, you all know we will take the first place, right? So, what is the first place? 2 minus 6 is there. So, 2 minus 6 is possible? No, it is not possible, right? So, it will change 2, it will change into 12 and in 3 tens it will change into 2 tens. So, write here 2. Now, we are going to subtract 12 minus 6. So, what is the answer? 12 minus 6, the answer is 6. Okay. So, write here 6. Again, you will take the 10th place value. Here the 10th place values are 2 and 5. So, again it is not possible. going to borrow from the 100th place. So, in this 700s it will change into 600, in this 2 tens it will change into 12 tens. So, now 12 minus 5, the answer is 7. Write here 7. Next take 6 minus 4, the answer is 2. So, listen children, next we are going to do the step 2, right? Step 2. Step 2. As usual, write the place values ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So, listen here. What is the answer here we have? We have the answer is 276. So, write 6, 7, 2. And then compare the question. Which one is the smallest number? 456 is the smaller number. So, write here 6, 5, then 4. Now, we are going to add this. So, keep 6 in the mind, 6 in the finger. Now, tell me Anita, what is the answer 6 plus 6? Very good. The answer is 12. So, 2 carry 1. Again, a 7 plus 1 is 8. So, keep 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, here too we got 2 digit number 13. So, 3 carry 1. Now, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So, the answer is 732. So, listen my children, we got question greater number 732. So, a subtraction is correct. Listen children, in this session you have learned subtraction with regrouping and then subtract and check the answer. So, I hope everyone enjoy this section. In this below description, we have a study material, question bank and assessment work. So, my dear students, do all the exercise related problem as well as assessment problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.